President of Tanzania Chamber of Commerce, Industry and Agriculture, Powell F. Koi, has said cooperation in different sectors of the economy between private sectors of Tanzania and Pakistan can play an instrumental role in improving trade and economic ties between the two countries. Powell Koi was heading a trade delegation at the Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry on Saturday. Lahore Chamber of Commerce President Mia Tarak Misbah presented the address of welcome while Senior Vice President Muhammad Nasir Hamid Khan, Vice President Tahir Manzoor Chaudhary and Executive Committee members were also present on the occasion. The leader of Tanzania trade team urged the businessmen of Pakistan to improve ties with their Tanzanian counterparts by exploring more avenues of trade and investment opportunities. He emphasized that Tanzania is a very peaceful country with immense trade and investment opportunities in many sectors, particularly in the agricultural sector, which can be explored by Pakistani businessmen and industrialists that would lead to enhancement of trade and investment ties. He said that private sector of the two countries should start knowing each other, build confidence and should bring the business communities of the two countries closer to each other. Koi said that government of the both countries should make visa issuance process easier to facilitate the business community. On the occasion, LCCA President Mia Tarak Misbah said that Tanzania is one of the important countries of Africa. Pakistan's export to Tanzania are nearly $87 million and imports range up to $21 million. The volume of total trade is around $108 million, he said, adding that the overall trade between Pakistan and Kenya is around $670 million. He said since Tanzania shares the border with Kenya and the main ports of two countries are very close to each other, so there should be no challenges in the way of increasing the present level of bilateral trade. We should study each other's market and mark certain items to be traded, he explained. Lahore Chamber of Commerce Senior Vice President Nasir Hamid Khan and Vice President Tahir Manzoor Chaudhary suggested that LCCA and Tanzania Chamber of Commerce may collaborate for the exchange of export-oriented business delegations. On the occasion, LCCA members had B2B meeting with the delegation members. Jahangir Hayat, Board News, Lahore.